Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert different types of page numbering in one Word document. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates, and let's get into the video. Basically, while doing our project documentation, we used to have different documents for acknowledgement page, and we'll be having a table of contents in another document, and our main contents will be in another document where our page number starts from 1 to 3, and in this acknowledgement and table of contents we might use Roman numbers, so that we used to have different documents, and finally we will print and merge, right? So to overcome this issue, I'm using section breaks. Let's see how this works. So this is introduction, and I'm gonna have this one in page number 1, and this is chapter 1. I'm gonna have this one in page number 2. So introduction should be in Roman letter, and chapter 1 should start from numeric 1. How to do this one? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this page into two. So I want this chapter 1 to be in next page. So go to layout, use breaks, and click next page. So it will automatically take you to the next page. So now the chapter 1 is a new page, and now you just insert the page number. Go to insert and insert page number, and select the template which you want. So now the page number is 1, but I need to change this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is insert page number and go to format page number, and it should start with, I said, Roman number. I'm going to use this one. Alright, click OK. So now if you see this, it starts with Roman number 1, and as I said, this chapter 1 should be in numeric 1, so I have to start from 1 to 3. So how to do that one? Go to insert and page number, format page number, start from, and the number format is 1 to 3. Alright, if you want to change it to other formats, you can check here, and start at 1. So even if you want to start from 5 or 10, you can do that. Click OK, so that you'll be getting this. So now you can see that page number 1 is in Roman letter and page number 2 is in numeric. And what if I insert more content here? Let's see that. I'm gonna insert n number of paragraphs, and if you see that the page number is 3. What if I want to insert chapter 2, and that should start from page number 1? So this is my text, and put it in center, and again go to layout, break, and select next page. So if you do that, automatically this will start from page number 1. This is really cool, right? And even if you want to change these page numbers, if you don't want 1, if you want some other things, then go to insert page number and format page number. I'm going to change this one to ABC. So start from A or B, whatever you want, you can select, click OK. And if you see this, chapter 2 starts from A, and chapter 1 is about 1 to 3. And if you go to the introduction part, it is in Roman letter. Finally, to check your section breaks, go to Home tab and click on Show or Hide, so that you can see these section breaks here. This is section breaks, ends here in page number 1, and this is chapter 1, and chapter 1's section break ends over here. So this is chapter 2, so it goes on like this. And if you click this one, these things will get unchecked. Hope this is useful for you, and thanks for watching the video.